When we look at the stars, we're actually looking back in the time. For instance, the sun that you see looks like as it was 8 minutes ago, as the light takes 8 minutes from the sun to reach Earth. Now imagine, using this logic, what aliens must be watching if they are looking at the Earth from the past. For an example, the aliens from around 84 light years away from the Earth would be watching the World War II taking place in real time. Now the aliens from around 1000 light years away from the Earth would be watching Angkor Wat temple being built, just like a live telecast. And it gets even more insane. Imagine aliens are watching Milky Way galaxy precisely at the location where our solar system is at around 5 billion years ago. They must be looking at nothing but a huge cloud of gas and dust. Why? Because our solar system had not even formed yet. Events like this really make you think that why we still have not able to communicate with any alien civilizations yet.